Arrive at Sage Meadows in the heart of Northwest Calgary. Nestled by the rolling hills that surround West Nose Creek, just minutes away are pathways to services and amenities, ideal for enjoying modern living near the beauty of nature. Thoughtfully designed, this new townhome community built by Partners Development Group features a community garden, play areas for the kids, and private yards. To add long-term value to the whole community, Arrive townhomes are designed and constructed to superior building standards and are environmentally responsible from beginning to end. With industry-leading architectural design featuring exceptional exterior materials and dramatic vaulted ceilings. Arrive inside with laminate hardwood flooring, full-height contemporary cabinets, quartz countertops, a 6-piece appliance package, and a blind package. Arrive in generous spaces, whether it's your ground-level concrete patio or covered deck, double-attached garage, or fenced yard. Arrive thoughtfully with 2-bedroom floor plans up to 1,230 square feet or 3-bedroom plans up to 1,800 square feet. 2-story models feature a full basement for an additional 600 square feet of livable space. Own a certified built green townhome affordably with prices starting from the 270s. Arrive sustainably. Arrive assured. Arrive home at Sage Meadows with Partners Development Group.